Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to take screenshot of the Snapchat without them knowing. So if you want to take the screenshot of the snap without the person knowing, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, you'll have to open the Snapchat application. Now you'll have to go to the chats. In order to go to the chats, tap on the chat option that you can see at the bottom right next to the explore option. Now you have to open the snap. Now after opening the snap, tap on the three dot that you can see at the top right corner. And here you can see three options: remix snap, save in chat, report snap. All you have to do is tap on remix snap option. Now after you tap on remix snap, this kind of interface will open. All you have to do is tap on the circle in order to click the photo. Now here you can see the snap that the person had sent to you. If you take the screenshot right over here, they'll know that you have taken the screenshot. If you see save button at the bottom, all you have to do is tap on that button. But since you can see here there is no save button, all you have to do is open Snapchat as tab. So what you have to do is tap on the tab option. It is the option right next to the home option in your phone. Now all you have to do is take the screenshot like this. Depending on your phone mobile, you can take screenshot to various processes. In most of the mobiles, you can take screenshot by simply pressing on power off button and volume down button. Now, if you go to photos, you can see here you've taken the screenshot. All you have to do is crop the photo and you will take the screenshot of the Snapchat without the person knowing. So that is how you take the screenshot of the Snapchat without them knowing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.